Hi everyone! Again, here we are, another tutorial session on how are we going to make our life easier or our job easier when it comes to having our screenshots. So our topic will be about snipping tool. So it's an easy way to have your screenshot. So before we start our tutorial, if you are just new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like, and of course you can comment down if you like this video. Alright, so before we start our tutorial, I would just want to give some background about what the snipping tool is. Alright, so snipping tool is a Microsoft Windows screenshot utility included in Windows Vista and later versions. So it can take still screenshots of an open window, rectangular areas, or a freeform area, or the entire screen. Snips can then be annotated using a mouse or a tablet stored as an image file or an HTML file or emailed. The snipping tool is a feature introduced in Windows 7 and is also available in Windows 8 and Windows 10. It allows you to take all parts of a screenshot and save that image. The picture is an example of Windows snipping tools. Ito yung pinaka-icon niya, and ito siya kapag gagamitin mo na siya. All we have to do is to search the snipping tool kung hindi nyo pa alam. On my PC kasi, I have already made a shortcut. So, nandito na siya sa akin. So, ito yung icon ng snipping tool. But then, if you still haven't discovered it yet to your devices, okay, so let's just click search and then type snipping tool. Ayan. So, once you type the snipping tool, eto na siya, lalabas na po siya. All you have to do is to click it, and then as you can see, eto na yung pinaka-dialog box niya. Okay, so we have here new, we have modes. So if we click the modes, we have freeform snip, rectangular snip, window snip, full screen snip. Alright? Ayan, so discuss natin yan isa-isa. Okay, so if we have, una, isa-set natin siya sa kung anong snip ang gusto natin. What mode of snip do we want? Okay, so let's say for example, we want a free snip. Okay, so free snip siya. That means, meron ka lang particular na gustong kunin. Let's say for example, I want to snip this portion. Ganyan lang siya. Kunyari, etong portion lang ang gusto kong makuha. Okay? So, yun yung nakuha. Eto na yung image na makukuha mo. Okay? Ayan. So, let's say, for example, ang gusto ko naman ay rectangular snip. So, mag-new tayo. Alright? So, again, let's check. Dapat ang naka-highlight is rectangular snip. Let's say for example, ayan, so new na tayo. Kailangan cross yung makikita nyo dito sa cursor nyo instead of having an arrow. So let's say for example, I want to snip this one. Okay, ayan na siya. So let's say for example, you want to send. Okay, so later na pala yan. Next, so click ulit natin nung new. Kasi, itatry naman natin itong window snip. Ayan. So, window snip. So, as you can see, andito yung purple. Etong buong window ng aking desktop. Okay. So, once we click that, ayan. As you can see, lumabas yung aking buong window ng aking buong desktop. Alright? So, let's say for example, we are going to try the full screen snip. So, eto na siya. Lumabas na siya. As in yung full screen niya. Halos same lang sila ni window snip. Okay? Now, how do we save yung snip na kinuha natin? Okay, again, so let's say for example, ang piliin ko lang na lang ay ang rectangular mode. This one. Ayan. Make sure na naka-open na yung file na gusto mo. So, halimbawa, this one, gusto ko siya, i-control-C ko lang siya or i-right-click ko siya, copy, and then, isa-send ko siya kung kanino ko siya gustong send. Control-V ko siya or right-click ko siya and then paste, and then, send. Okay. Or, let's say for example, another way of saving it, ay yung kanina naman is how are we going to send it directly right after you snip your image. This time, we are going to save. Let's say for example, gusto na nating i-save tong image na to. Let us just click File, and then click Save As, and then pili tayo kung saang part ng computer natin siya. And then I'll just capture it. Let's say ang file name ko ay Snipping, and then just save it. Ayan. So as we can see, andito na si Snipping tool. Nakasave na siya sa aking desktop. Okay, so let's try this option. Makikita nyo merong fuchsia pink na color yung box. Kung gusto nyong mawala yon, punta tayo sa option, and then choose white. And then, okay. And then you try to snip again. Ayan. Wala na yung border niya na may kulay. Okay, now, let's go to this snip object na. Ito na yung snip na nating object. Let's say for example, you want to emphasize something on the image na inisnip mo. So you can just choose any type of pen you want. So let's say for example, you choose the red pen. Let's say you want to emphasize the word snipping tool. Ayan. Drag mo lang yung mouse. Or let's say for example, gusto mo siyang gawing box, makakapag-drawing ka ng box. Alright? Now, halimbawa nagkamali ka, you don't want to put emphasis on that word. You just have to click this eraser, image of eraser. Let's say for example, you want to highlight a part of your snipped image. Yan. Okay? So, ganyan lang siya. So, let's say for example, ayaw mo ulit. Click mo lang si eraser. Let's say for example, you want to edit with paint. Edit mo yung image na crinap mo or in-snip mo. Okay? So, you can maximize it or zoom it rather. Ayan. So, magkakaroon ka ng iba't ibang option here. Ayan. Ayan. So, iba't ibang brush. Ayan. Iba't iba. Ayan. May ganyan-ganyan siya. So, you can just explore this one. So, ito yung thickness, kung gaano ka-thick yung gusto mong sa ini-edit mo. And then, here is the color, kung anong color ang gusto mo. Ayan. So, iba-iba siya. You can edit it dito sa Paint 3D. Okay, you can also add stickers if you want. Let's say for example, star. Ayan. Pwede mong lakihan, pwede mong liitan. Okay? Ayan. Pwede mo siyang i-rotate. Pwede mo rin siyang flipped. Ayan. Ayan. So, that's how it works. Alright. So, let's say for example, since we are teachers, ang gusto kong i-snip naman ay etong grades ng aking mga bata. Paano natin yun gagawin? Okay. So, open lang natin si snipping tool. Ayan. And then, snip natin siya. Ayan. So, let's say for example, may gusto tayong i-add. let's say, mataas yung grades ng ating nakuha, na nakuha ng ating mga bata. We can put sticker. Ano kayang sticker ang maganda? Let's say star. Kasi very good yung grades nila. Yan. So, we can also add text if we want. Very good. Ayan. So, pwede natin siyang i-ganyan. Adjust lang natin siya. Diba? Ayan. So, we can adjust the font here. Of course, i-highlight muna natin siya before we can adjust. Very good. Image. Alright, again, how to save it? Go to menu. And then save as or save. Ayan. Again, JPEG. Kung gusto natin JPEG, mas gusto ko, I prefer JPEG. Okay, lagyan natin ng file name. Okay, and then save. Alright, and then close ko na to. Close ko na rin to. So, eto yung meron tayong idinagdag. Okay? Ayan. So, I hope natulungan kayo ng ating tutorial ngayon, and I hope na may apply natin to sa everyday na trabaho natin as teachers. So, please don't forget to like, share, and comment. And of course, if you're just new to my channel, please subscribe. And God bless us all. Thank you.